If you are watching this video you are just in time. Our next Working Smart Online webinar is about to start. Click the blue button to attend our roadmap to online success. Learn to earn online with your own turnkey point-and-click website store. After today's 20-minute webinar, you will be able to get access to a complete turnkey WordPress system, complete with everything you will need to succeed online. Get your own recipe cooking website, a beauty markup website, a healthy fitness website, a product review website, and a home gardening website, all videos and amazing products imported for you using our backend WordPress system. Curate all content from Amazon and YouTube with simple keywords in your WordPress dashboard. This complete turnkey system was built by Robert Farrell, software teacher and earning online since 1995. Today's webinar will showcase our current successful students. We will show you step by step how they work smart and earn online by not selling. If you want to be successful online, you need to treat this like a serious business. So head over to webinar.mom and learn to earn online the right way, and that's Working Smart Online. Remember, nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Cheers.